Oh, hello.
Hello.
You show me the house?
Yes.
Okay. This is what, Ricky? This is what?
This can be the.
This is the living room.
Yeah.
And then we have the view.
Yeah.
You like the view of the city?
And this fish.
And this is the Ricky. What's this?
Toys.
This is where you practice Chinese.
Yes.
And then this is what?
This is my kid.
This is where you do your homework, yeah?
Yes.
Your pinyin.
Yes.
Mm. Your books. Couch. Ricky, come here. You show the apartment.
This is fish. Okay.
Oh, you want to show the fish?
And they just can't do this.
You can feed them. Okay. So here, Ricky, show here. We eat dinner here.
Yes.
And then we show the kitchen.
Yes.
Mm.
This is can make food.
Yeah, can make dinner here.
Okay.
Mm.
Dinner. And dinner.
Mm.
Dinner.
All for dinner.
Yes. And it.
Also,
And this.
this is a vase.
This.
Oh, do it. Bugger. Hello. You show the balcony?
And balcony
Yeah.
also has fish.
Yeah. Also have fish.
And I have
Yeah. And many plants. Yeah. And
also
all the washing
Yes.
and your bike.
Yes.
All the this is my clothes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also have swimming hats.
Yeah, swimming hats. We go show your room, Ricky? Bugger, you come? Bugger, you come? So this is your room.
Yes. So this is killer whale.
Mm.
And my daddy's spot.
You say what?
He says daddy.
He said daddy. Your clothes? And many books, Ricky. You have many books, yeah?
Yes.
Ai's room. Ricky, anything else you want to show?
I show you.
Okay, you show me my room, okay?
Okay. Come on.
Yeah, you walk up the ladder first. I come after. Go, girl.
Have bed and a cooler. And
Bed and cola.
yeah. And with this. And
Just very messy, yeah?
yeah, man, very messy. And this is clean.
Have the ghetto windows
Yeah.
with the view to the garden.
You do this, okay?
You say what?
I said I can sleep in your this.
You can sleep in my what?
This.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's a bed.
I can sleep in your bed.
No, not today.
I want to sleep in it.
No, I can't. And you have the air condition.
But
The savior. Ricky, no.
this is you can have candy here. And this.
I have candy.
Yeah, I also have.
Hmm.
This is my home.